Hello guys, today 12th July 2024 and this is a Bitcoin chart. Let's see the big picture. This is the big picture. In last video I have counting the waves like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 is running. We can see here the personality of third wave. There is a most important thing is find out the personality. C wave and third wave having a personality like this. You can see the bullish candle, and time is also very short period. So this is the personality of third wave, and now we are in fourth wave. So let's analyze where we are. You see from here. Yes, almost 30.2 percentage, complete near 55K, and we made a low of around 53K. So I can see selling is not good idea this zone. Let's check daily time. Some guys may wonder why I post with one here, not here, not here. So see, I can see here this is the personality of third wave. This one is also the third wave. So I'm counting as this is the zero, zero. This is the most prior low around 15K. This is wave 1, wave 2, and this one is entire wave 3. And this like triangle, you see, it's like triangle A, B, C, D, E. This one or this one, you can put anywhere. You must comfortable. So I put here, this is third, this one is fourth, and this is fifth. So this is the subwaves inside the first wave. Now, for me, I'm very comfortable to count it as A, B, C, X, A, B, C. So this is my second. And you can see this is the personality of third wave. See bullish candle, here bullish candle. So I'm giving second wave here. You can put anywhere here or here, but second wave should not low below the starting of the first wave. So you mention you if you put here zero, then this is the one and second. Second low is not below the starting point of the first wave. So this rules is not violated here. So this one is one, two, this is one, two. Can put three, four here or three, four, five. So this is the third wave. We have mentioned like zero, one, two. This is the part of third, three, four, and five. Then most important thing is deal with correction. Better you avoid the fourth wave, but as a human being, we can't sit idle and just watch. Human being having the same problem, they involve in this kind of correction also. So You can start with very small lot size if you deal with the fourth wave. So you can see here down, up, down, again up. You cannot match the trending wave here. So you can see here A, B, C, X, A, B, C. So here like is 0, A, B, C. This one is X, again 0, A, B, and C. So every C wave has 5 waves. You can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one is flat correction. You can see here 3, 3, 5 is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One flat correction is completed here. Then this one is X wave. X might be 5 wave, 3 wave, ABC pattern, any kind of pattern unfolding in X. So this is the X wave. Now this is again flat correction, double flat. A, B, and C. You can file it like this. A, B, C, fourth, and five. So you can see here how I mentioned the like this. You have to see here, we should not violate any ElliottWave rules. See, first and fourth is not reachable. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see A, B, C. In a ending diagonal, fourth wave can reach the first wave. So in this is the ending diagonal. 1 up to here, then 2, then 3. This is the fourth and 5. Why I have put fourth wave here? Because I am comfortable to see the correction is between 38 to 50%, which give me the confidence. So this is my fourth wave. This is the first wave. Second, you can put the first wave here also. You see here. Yeah, this is 323%, which is extended third wave. And see here, fifth wave is around 70.7 to 78.6. So this also gives me a confidence that we have completed a 5 wave cycle here. Now, this is our reflex point, fourth wave. So bulls need to cross this level, which is near 63,800. 63,800. So if you see any 5 waves rally from this low and we cross this level, then you can see this is the new impulse wave. So our fourth wave might complete here, and we start a new rally towards the 80 or 98. So let's analyze these waves. 1 hour time frame. You can set the 1 hour time frame. Can you see? Yes, I can count the 5 waves inside this wave. Can you watch this wave? See, this is the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then correction like this A, B, C. 1, 2. Correction. It's the deep correction. Will go between 70 to 61.8 percentage. Okay. Now, if this is the part of third wave, then the volume should be increased. You can see here the candles. We have higher volume here. And if it is the part of second wave, then we may see a lower volume. So we will confirm it in this week or in next week. What is about this cycle? It's the second wave or third wave. If we close above this level 59 600, then I will see it as a third wave in a this lower time. This is 1, 2. We consider 3, 4, 5 like this. A new cycle. This high rally, this 5 years rally should be complete above this 6300, 63,000 like this. Okay. Starting from here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After 5 wave, we may see a correction of all these 5 wave like this. And then, so our potential buy entry will be near this area. If this is 5 impulse, then correction, R12 cycle should be complete. Then we should enter in the this pair Bitcoin. And this rally towards the 80K, 90K, or 100K. So conclusion is first we have to reach these levels 63,800, and it should be in a 5 waves, then correction, then you enter here. After this A, B, C correction, it may 38.2 or 61, 61 or 38.2. Fibonacci levels you have to see. So this is my view, and see, this is the 5 rally correction and goes up. So this is how I labels the wave, and you can enter either here if you want to enter take here with the small SL 56,400, or you can put SL this 53,300, which is I think very long SL. So any small lot size, with small lot size you can enter here. If you enter here, your SL should be is 156,400, your target towards the 63,800, which is also the good risk reward around 1:8. If you enter with $100, then your reward will be $800. This is how I trade, and I also like to get risk reward more than 1:10. Even I had 1:100 risk reward. So you can try this kind of executions. I hope you enjoy this video and learn the execution, which is very important. Analysis only 10%, execution is 90% if you want to be a successful trader. So hope you enjoy and try try execution, and you will be a skilled trader. Thank you.